Hi, great to see you. We are going to be doing a workout today with weights, just an overall body workout. I have 5 pounds here. That's going to be a good general weight. If you do have lighter weights, I might have them close for the arm work because 5s I think can get a little heavy for the arm work. So I think you're good anywhere with the arms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 really. And then with the legs, you'll probably want a 3 or a 5. Okay. So let's get started with your legs underneath your hips here, toes facing forward. You always want to start in a nice solid position. It's easier to start there than to try to find it later. So you're going to bring your hands in so that they're facing your hips, and we're going to lift them straight out to the side and then back in. So that's an exhale and an inhale. So just getting a little bit of shoulder work here to start with. We're going to be doing a little bit of everything for our standing weight workout. It's a great way to just get everything in a short amount of time and to get your heart rate up. When you work multiple body parts at once and you work dynamically like this, you will burn more calories. So I guess that's a little bonus, right? Let's do 2 more. And last one. And down. Now you're gonna do the same thing, but bring them forward. So you might notice right away why I said you wanna go light. This 5 can be a little bit heavy here, so you'll have to do that extra bracing in your core. Make sure elbows are slightly soft. I don't have them locked. Shoulders are down and feet are nice and heavy. That's your solid base here. Let's do 2 more. Last one. Nice job. Now we're going to bend the elbows, take the arms out to the side and down. We're going to add on to this. Okay, give me 2 more. Last one, lift. You're gonna open and then up towards the ceiling. I know my hands might get cut off, but I'm just lifting straight up and down. Okay, 2 more, because what we're gonna do is add the legs here. Nice job, and then rotate and come down. So what we're gonna do is find a wide turnout position. So let's get those legs nice and wide with the feet turned out, and I want you to come down into your squat, lift the arms up, inhale, exhale. If you've done some of my workouts in the past, you've done this exercise. It's a great compound movement, which just means we're doing more than one thing at once. So you're getting that nice wide sumo squat with the inner thighs working, with an upright row, which is working your shoulders. Okay, 2 more. I promised you a little more of that shoulder work, right? Okay, come down, stay here. So I want you to find a comfortable squat. We're gonna be here for a minute. Bring your arms back up. They're gonna go up and down, up and down. 2, 1. Okay, come down. Keep your left hand down on your hip, right arm stays. Reach up and over and back in. Up and over, back in. Last 2, and 1. Come in. Now rotate it down and turn and punch. And punch. Maybe get your squat a little lower. 2 more. 2. And 1. Nice job. Come in. We're going to switch. Up. So you reach up and over. You're getting a big side stretch, which is also working your obliques. So now we've got inner thigh and quads. You're probably feeling those. Shoulder and obliques. Good. Rotate down with the arm. Punch it over. So twist from that side waist. 2 more. Good job, last one. And in, hand down, stand up. Nice job, just heel toe those feet in. Bring the hands or the weights to your chest. Have your legs shoulder distance apart, so that's a little wider than your hips, and turn them out, turn your feet out. Inhale, come down into a squat, exhale up. So I'm gonna show you from the side. You're sitting your weight down and back. Your knees stay over your toes. Now, if you want an extra challenge here, when you go down, elbows touch your knees, then come up. Woohoo, right? I know. This is a fun one I've been incorporating lately, but you have to have light weights like this to do it. You don't want to do it with your really heavy squatting weights by any means. If it's too much with the weights, maybe just try it without weights. If it hurts your knees at all, stop. Don't go down that low. This is really only okay for healthy knees, okay? Those people with knee pain, just stay up high. It's definitely not worth pushing through knee pain, I promise. It won't make it better by doing that. Okay, last 2. exhale up. Last one, and up. Nice job, arms come down. Left foot forward, right foot back, okay? We're gonna find lunges. So you're in a really, actually, I'm gonna change my mind really quick. Actually, no, do keep them. I'll show you why. So keep your weight, step your right foot back. You have a long stance here, okay, really long stance. Your arms are gonna be here. I know I'm setting you up, but you'll see what we're doing. You're gonna come down into a lunge, press your arms up. Down, press. Now, this would be level 1, which is plenty. Level 2, folks, come up, the leg lifts, come back down, lunge. Up, down. Okay, so those are your options. You either just stay back in a lunge, or you shoot that back leg up, so you're pressing through the front leg. Give me 3 more. It's gonna be about 12. Last one, come back. Nice job. And switch, that gets my heart rate up. So let's switch legs, hopefully it does yours too. Other leg back, hands come up, come down. So remember, balance here too. You can stay right here, otherwise, power, there's the balance, up and back. It helps to set your eyes on something. Now, if this starts to get to be too much for the arms, just bring the hands right here to your chest again, or even down at your sides. Okay? Either one, because we've done a lot of shoulders already. 3 more. And 2. 1. Nice job. All right. Let's turn here. We're going to get into some calf raises. Arms at your sides. Lift, lift. Rolling up. Whew. I'm breathing heavy now. Rolling up onto your toes. Now we can add a bicep curl to it. Bend, straighten. So as you lift up onto your toes, you're just bending your elbows and back down. Good job. Let that heart rate come down a little bit. 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. All right, so we're going to do something that might be a little new for you. It's going to be a deadlift with a row. Single leg. We'll do both legs first so you can get an idea of the motion. So this is a hinge. When you do a deadlift, it's a hinge. It's not rounding. Okay, this will hurt your back. You cannot round during this exercise. You need your knees slightly bent, and it's a flat back hinge forward. Then once we do that, we're going to pull the elbows up and then back down and lift. So you inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So you can stay right here if this is enough for you. Otherwise, we're going to go to single leg. So the right foot goes back. Level 2, so that was level 1. Level 2 is this. You keep the toes down as you hinge and come up. Level 3, you hinge over and the foot lifts. Row, release, lift. Okay? So those are your options. You're trying to keep both hip points facing the ground. So when you do this, if the leg lifts with you, try not to let the hip roll out. And let's do 2 more. So we're getting some triceps and rhomboids in that upper back here, but really it's probably more about your hamstring and balance. All right, other side, great job. So if you want to do 1 in the middle, I do that sometimes just to kind of reset everything and then check the other side. So remember that was level 1. Level 2 is right here. You can just leave the toes gently down behind you. And level 3 would be lifting the leg. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Go at your own pace. Just make sure you're breathing. It's always good to challenge yourself and try something new. I don't throw these in every workout, but I definitely do sometimes just to challenge myself. Challenge my muscles in a different way. Nice job. 1 more. Great. Now come up and we're just going to leave the left foot back. back with the right foot forward. Hinge forward slightly, elbows at your sides. Let's kick the elbows back. So tricep kickback. So what I'm doing is I'm just bending and straightening from my elbows. I'm bending into the front knee, back leg is straight. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job, stay here, switch feet. Let's do it again. 8, 7, you got it, home stretch. 6, I'm sweating. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job, step forward, lift up. Nice job, let your arms hang, shoulders a couple rolls. Roll the opposite way, ear to shoulder, ear to the other shoulder. And great job, thanks for joining me, that was super fun. I will see you next time.